You guys excited? I don't believe you are excited. Yeah? Bump it up. You guys gotta go way down there. So my name is Mrs. Pollock, and thank you so much for your good listening. And they're gonna try to whisper while they figure out how to get settled. We don't normally perform this squished up on the stage, but we're gonna figure it out for you because we didn't. Sopranos, you gotta come up here. Curve over, yeah. And people gotta fill in. I'm Mrs. Pollock, the choir director, and this is my choir. And they sing really nicely, and they just had a concert. And I heard that School 4 and School 5 just had some concerts too with their choirs, yes? Did anybody sing on those? Did anybody sing? Who sang in the choir? I can kind of see. Anybody want to raise their hand? Oh, all right. So you guys know how this goes. If you don't know how it goes, you got to curve more towards me. Hold on. We're going to figure this out. Come this way. Come closer, as close as you can be. All right, can everybody see me? If you can't, shift around. Sayer, you're over here. If you sang on a concert, then you know what we're going to do. You have a sense of what choir is already. We're just going to sing a few songs for you so that you can hear what we do. And we actually have some middle school students from middle school choir up here on the stage with us. Does anybody want to be brave and raise your hand if you're in middle school choir? They might not want to. Oh, they're doing it. Okay, we have a few visitors. So this is high school with some middle school guests. After we sing, if you guys are interested in doing choir in middle school and then maybe in high school, because you'll meet me a long time from now, when you enter 9th grade, you come up to high school, then we're going to introduce you to the middle school choir director today as well. So let's sing for you, and then I'll introduce the middle school choir teacher, and then Mr. Cope, the band director, is going to play those instruments that are behind us and do some band stuff and talk to you about the band director at the middle school if you want to get involved in band and play band instruments. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes? Okay. So we are going to try to teach you guys a song and have you sing with us in the beginning. Yeah? Who thinks they can do that? Can anybody sing with us? If you don't want to, you don't have to. But if you want to, we're going to sing a song with you. But the first thing you got to do is I got to have a quiet signal. Okay? So let's show them what the quiet signal is, everybody. When we're done singing today as a group, we're all going to go. Can you guys do that with me? Can y'all do it? Oh. Right? And that means we're going to stop singing. Okay. So on this song, I actually need a sound effect. I need some people to make some ghost noises. Choir, do you know how to make a ghost noise? This is a ghost song, even though it's not Halloween. Make some ghost noises for us, nice and loud. Can you guys make some ghost noises with them? Let me hear you. Oh, over there's good. Oh, yeah? Good. All right, ready? Uh-oh, that was kind of a fail. We got to practice that quiet signal again. Make those ghost noises nice and loud and watch my signal. Better. Okay, so we're going to sing you a ghost song. We want you to sing with us, but we're going to teach it to you. It goes, have you seen the ghost of John? Can you guys see those words up above the choir? Or am I in the way?
I need to bend down.
Bend down a little, choir. Can you see them? Okay, and then the next phrase is long white bones with the rest all gone. Mr. Flick, can you go to the next slide? Ooh, that's where you get to sound like a ghost. Ooh. And then the fourth part is, wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? I don't know about you, but I didn't think ghosts had skin or got cold, but whatever. This song is about a ghost who I guess is like a skeleton. And we're going to sing it for you, okay? You don't all, I mean, look at my awesome choir all crouching down. I don't think they all have to crouch down. Can you kind of see the lyrics from where you are? Yeah, okay. Thanks, you guys. That was nice of you. Aren't they awesome? They're so nice. Ready? Let's teach them the first phrase. It goes, have you seen the ghost of John? Now, let's sing it with them. Ready? Can you sing it with us? Have you seen the ghost of John? That's the first phrase. And then the next one goes, long white bones with the rest all gone. Now we do that with them. Ready? Long white bones with the rest all gone. Now you get to make a ghost noise. They're going to sing, but you get to make a ghost noise. Ready? Ooh. And then we all go, wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? Do that part with us. Ready? Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? So can we do the whole song? It's only 4 things. Have you seen the ghost of John? Long white bones with the rest all gone. Make some ghost noises, and then wouldn't it be chilly? So let's do the whole thing. You ready? We'll sing it with them. Then we're going to show you something cool we do with it, and you're going to listen. But right now, we're all going to sing it together. So let's see if we can hear you. Can you guys hear them? Sort of. You could sing a little louder. Yeah, if you want. If you feel comfortable. No forcing. This is for fun. You ready? Ready, choir? Have you seen the ghost of John? Oh, I hear it. Long white bones with the rest all gone. Ooh. What good? I heard it. And we're going to do it one more time. Ready? Have you seen the... Make it nice and creepy, choir. How do we make it creepy? Long white bones with the rest all gone. Ooh. Let me hear your noises. Ooh. Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? Thank you. So now I'm going to go, okay? Now what we're going to do, this is our turn to sing it for you. Now we're going to do it in a fancy way. We're going to do it in a choir way. That was kind of an easy song, right? Yeah, but we're going to show you how we take that easy song and put in lots of different parts, okay? So in choir, in high school and middle school, you learn how to sing in lots of parts, right, choir? Right? And we have different parts up here on the stage. Can you see where all the guys are? Guys, can you raise your hand? All the guys sing one part, usually. Not all the time. Sometimes we split them up. And then we have some ladies that sing lower. Ladies that sing lower are called altos. Okay, and ladies that like to sing higher are called sopranos. They're over here, okay? And so we're all gonna do something different where you can hear the different parts. We're gonna take Ghost of John and we're gonna make it funky, okay? So this time you just listen and see if you can hear the different parts. You ready? Remember, group 1 is alto, group 2 is gentlemen. We're gonna have 3-ish, one here, and 4. Okay. All right, ready? Okay, let's do it. Have you seen the ghost of John? Have you seen the rest of John? Have you seen the rest of John? Light shines with the rest of John. Have you seen the rest of John? Let it be chilly with the rest of John. Have you seen the rest of John? Let it be chilly with the rest of God. Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? Cool? Did you see what they did? Who heard what they did? That's called a round, right? Where you start in one, you take the same song, but you start at different times, and it makes something called harmony and lots of different parts. And that's what we do in middle school choir and high school choir. So thanks for singing with us. Now we're going to sing something for you. Maybe we'll just do like we did in the band room, because we don't have any chairs. On the concert, we did chairs, but we're kind of squishy today. So shall we just sit? Can we do it? Huh?
Will the mic be able to catch that then?
Yeah, it'll be fine. Come on up, my people. We have some people that do body percussion on this.
Just stand.
You can stand if you feel comfortable. Whatever's easier, stand or sit. Do you guys know what percussion means? When you hit something? And so they're gonna clap and snap and tap to this song. We did this song on our winter concert. We just thought you'd like it because it's kind of cool. So we'll just pretend it's winter. We just had Halloween song, right? Now we're gonna do a winter song for you. Okay, we got this? Okay, move down a little bit. Normally I don't snap, but they can't really see themselves. All right. I was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye. that's why we wanted to share it with you. You didn't care that it was a winter song, right? I'm like, it was okay, right? Because it's really cool. So if you want to do that, sometimes we do that. Sometimes we sing without any music underneath of us. That's called a cappella. It's a big fancy Italian word. You don't need to know that. You just need to know sometimes we just like to hear our voices with like a drum or with clapping and tapping. And we did Ghost of John without any music under us. But sometimes we sing with music under us. Sometimes we push play on a track and sing along, right? Does anybody do that? Pull up YouTube and sing along? Sometimes we do that too. But we still do the different parts. Could you hear the different parts in that song? Sopranos came in first, then altos, then guys. All different parts. And that's what we work on in middle school and high school. Okay, so now we have a song from Hamilton. Has anybody ever heard of Hamilton? It's a musical. And we have a soloist on this song, and his name is Jaden Coleman. And it's early in the morning to be singing so high. But Jaden's gonna sing for you when it comes to the solo part. Do you want me to put it here? Hold on a second, Mr. Flick. All right, gentlemen, you ready? You know what else? All right, Mr. Flick, hopefully we can hear the music when it starts. We didn't practice out here, so let's see.
No one else was in the room where it happened, the room where it happened, the room where it happened. No one else was in the room where it happened, the room where it happened, the room where it happened. No one really knows how the bodies get to yes. The pieces that are sacrificed in every day with chess. We just assume that it happened. So no one else was in the room where it happened. No one else was in the room where it happened, the room where it happened, the room where it happened. No one else was in the room where it happened, the room where it happened, the room where it happened. My God, in God we trust, so we never really know what God discussed. Great boom, then it happened. And no one else was in the room where it happened. When you got skin in the game, you stay in the game. But you don't get a win unless you play in the game. Oh, you get love for it, you get hate for it. You get nothing if you wait for it, wait for it, wait. What do you want, girl? What do you want, girl? What do you want, girl? What do you want?
I've got to be.
Room where it happened.
I've got to be.
Room where it happened.
Oh, I've got to be in the room.
Room where it happened.
I've got to be. I've got to be. I've got to be. In the room.
Big boom.
Good job. Jaden is really brave to sing a solo, isn't he? We do lots of solos too in choir if you're feeling brave and love to sing. Wasn't that great? Doesn't he sing so nice? Can you give him another round of applause? And boys can sing too, not just girls. I'm a girl, but all kinds of people can sing. Anyone that wants to sing is always welcome in choir. Always, always, always. You don't have to audition to be in my choir. And there's gonna definitely be places you don't have to audition in the middle school either. There's lots and lots of places for everybody to sing. This is our last song. Thanks for listening to that. We did a whole Hamilton medley earlier in the year, but we just did one song for you. Our last song is Happy by Pharrell. Does anybody know that one? Yeah? So if you want to clap along, you can. It gets a little dicey when we clap along if we get off from the music, but whatever. Let's try it. If you're getting really off from the music and we can't hear up here, and Mr. Flick can maybe boost our monitors just a little, then I'll shush you. But I'll let you try to clap, okay? Right? You can do, right? Clap along, because that's what the song is about, right? And for some fanciness, you can try clap, 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 clap. But not till the part that says clap along, okay? Ready? Yeah, good. Thank you for following that quiet signal. All right, let's do Happy by Pharrell. I need my people that are going to sing the melody in the front. Where's my middle school people? People that are going to sing the melody. I forget my words. Oh, I misplaced my words. You ready? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, Good job. It's hard to clap in a big group, isn't it? Did you notice? Sometimes we weren't together, but that's okay, because we're happy. Thank you so much for letting us sing for you. The choir is going to go that way and go back into the band room, and we're going to let the band come out so you can meet them. But I want to introduce someone really important to you, fourth graders, because aren't you guys going to middle school next year? I'm the high school director, so I won't really get to meet you. So would you like to meet the middle school choir teacher? Yeah, he's new to our district, but he's not new to singing. He's been singing a really long time, and he's going to make choir really, really fun. And his name is Mr. B. So say hello to Mr. B, and he'll say hello to you.
Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Good morning. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Hey, raise your hand if you like music. Oh, I can't see you. Got to raise it higher than that. Yeah, that's right. You want to make music? You come join choir, yeah? Sound good? All right. I'm excited to meet all of you. Good stuff. Yeah? I know what else I'm supposed to say. Oh, yeah, sure.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's go. Now we're talking. Hi, guys. I'm Mr. Hart. I'm the middle school band director. It's good to see you all here. Thank you. Is that Mr. Witz? Let's hear for Mr. Witz, everyone. Mr. W, as we call him. 3 syllables instead of 1. It's okay. We won't judge him for that. But anyway, on stage right now, we have some of my 8th grade students that are going to be playing some stuff with our high school. So if you're interested or you like what you see here today and you want to play an instrument, I'm the guy that you're going to want to come see in the beginning of the year next year. We got a whole bunch of fun going on, and it looks like you guys are a really fun group of people. Are you guys fun? I don't know. That didn't sound like you guys were that fun. Are you guys fun? All right, cool. Not too much fun, though. You know, there's limits, moderation. All right, well, enjoy, guys. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Right? Pay the twos. 'Cause we the ones. All right, here we go.
All right, greetings everybody. Hello, fourth grade. All right, welcome once again to the high school. My name is Mr. Cope, and I'm the high school band director. Today, we will be playing 3 songs for you, and then I have a special class that's called Percussion Ensemble. Raise your hand if you think you know what the word percussion means. All right, pretty good. So percussion is a family of instruments, right? Did you guys know that? One of the 4 families of instruments, and it's any instrument that you hit, shake, or scrape. So that's how we are closing our concert, with percussion instruments. But first, you are going to hear our concert band, and in addition to that, I teach the marching band as well. So if you ever go to the football games and you hear the marching band, that's Mr. Cope right here, and Mr. Hart as the assistant band director. So listen, if this is really fun, if this sounds fun to you, and something that you want to try when you get to middle school, make sure that when you see Mr. Hart next, that you talk to him about what you are interested in and what type of music you like and maybe what instrument you like. Same for choir as well. If you think singing is something that you want to try and do more of and get really, really good at by the time you get to middle school. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of our show. Here we go. Shackleford Banks, then Element, then Flight.
Okay, and then I'm going to talk about.
All right, fourth grade. So that was our combined eighth graders with the concert band at the high school. Now you are going to hear just the high school concert band play 3 songs, Shackleford Banks, Wellerman, and Flight of the Thunderbird. Lastly, you will hear a song by percussion ensemble called Oye Como Va. Here we go. Wellerman. Hello. right, give it up one more time for the concert band.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have about 5 more minutes on our assembly. But you have been an excellent audience. Look at you all waiting so nicely. I wish my high school students would wait this nicely. Great job. I hope you liked what you've been seeing up here today, the singing and the playing of instruments. Here's what we're going to do. Mr. L and Mr. Witz, you're in the audience, right? Yes? We're going to send you a little Google Doc. And you can take some names for us if you don't mind over the next couple weeks. If anybody is interested in singing with Mr. B, or did you guys meet Mr. Hart, the middle school band director yet? If you're interested in doing band next year, you want to get in touch with Mr. Hart or Mr. B if you want to sing right away. And you can tell Mr. L or Mr. Witz you want to do this. And they'll send their names up to, they will send your name up to the middle school so the teachers know to look for you. Does that make sense, everybody? So if you want to do band, not with us, you got to wait to do it with us, or choir, you want to sign up with the middle school teachers first and then keep on singing and playing, because then one day, you come and work with us, and you'll get to do these awesome concerts up here, okay, everybody? So these are the last few things for us, and Mr. L and Mr. Witz, I'll be sending you an email with a little Google form. Thank you so much, everybody.
All right, and now here is our percussion ensemble for a song called Oye Como Va. Please enjoy. Okay, everybody. Once again, I just wanted to thank everybody that made this happen. My supervisor, Mr. Maggi, and the principals of schools 4, 5, and the middle school for getting the 8th graders up here. And thank you for our superintendent for also making this happen for us. I hope everybody enjoyed the show, and we hope to see you soon. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful summer coming up. All right. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye, everybody.